Welcome back, fellow online entrepreneurs. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's been making waves in the online business world. We'll be exploring 5 tips to help you make money online using one of the internet's most popular platforms, Reddit. So, if you're ready to boost your income and dive into the world of Reddit, let's get started. Tip number 1. Find your niche and join relevant subreddits. Reddit is home to countless communities dedicated to various interests and industries. To make money on Reddit, it's crucial to identify your niche and immerse yourself in related subreddits. Engage with the community, share valuable insights, and build your reputation as an authority in your chosen niche. Tip number 2. Create high-quality content and share it strategically. Once you've established your presence in relevant subreddits, it's time to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's informative articles, entertaining videos, or captivating images, make sure your content is top-notch and provides value. Strategically share your content within the appropriate subreddits to maximize visibility and reach. Tip number 3. Leverage Reddit's advertising options. Reddit offers a range of advertising opportunities to help you reach a wider audience and promote your products or services. Whether it's through sponsored posts, display ads, or even Reddit's own ad network, take advantage of these advertising options to drive targeted traffic to your website or landing pages. Tip number 4. Participate in Reddit's Ask Me Anything (AMA) sessions. AMAs are an excellent way to showcase your expertise and build a loyal following. Identify relevant subreddits where you can offer valuable insights or answer questions related to your niche. Engage with the community and establish yourself as a trusted resource. This can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and even paid opportunities. Tip number 5. Monetize your presence through affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. As your influence grows on Reddit, you can monetize your presence through affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. Partner with relevant brands and negotiate sponsored content deals. Recommend products or services that align with your audience's interests, and earn a commission for every sale or engagement generated through your recommendations. Host, and there you have it. 5 powerful tips to help you make money online using Reddit. Remember, building a successful presence on Reddit takes time, effort, and genuine engagement. Stay consistent, provide value, and always focus on fostering meaningful connections with the community. Host, thank you for joining us today. We hope these tips will empower you to take your online business to new heights using the power of Reddit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. Until next time, happy Redditing and happy earning.